Welcome to BB Python programming. In this video I'll be telling you how a program asks for your name and says hello. Let's start. Here I'll be using the print function where I'll store a message. Similarly I'll do again, and the value between the parentheses is called arguments. Now I'll be taking a variable by name equal to input. Here input means the program waits for the user to enter a text. The last line is another print function called the expression nice to meet you, have a great day plus my name. Let's run our program. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this program, please do comment on the comment section.